So Trump was asked the $1 million question, are you defying the Supreme Court's order? Trump says that he is not defying the Supreme Court over Abrego Garcia case. Now, if you've been living under a rock, is the case of a Salvadorian national killer, Armando Abrego Garcia, has become the case study of the government's willingness to resist court orders. He was asked by Driving the News if this administration was defying the Supreme Court to facilitate the man's return, and Trump said no. I'm relying on the Attorney General of the United States, Pam Bondi. He also added that I am not involved in the legality or the illegality. I do have the power to ask for him to come back. But if I'm instructed by the Attorney General that it's legal to do so, Trump said, but the decision as to whether or not he should come back will be the head of El Salvador. Trump said that the administration lawyers are the ones that are calling the shots, though he added he could get Abrego Garcia back. Asked about the previous comment, Trump told Welker, I have the power to ask for him to come back if I'm instructed by the Attorney General that it's legal to do so, but added that the decision lies head on with El Salvador. Now, Secretary of State Mark Rubio had said late last month that, of course, all citizens and non-citizens in the U.S. are entitled to due process. He was asked whether he agrees with Rubio or not, and Trump replied, I do not know. I'm saying I'm not a lawyer. Then Welker pointed out the Fifth Amendment, which says no person should be deprived of life, liberty, or property without the process of law. Trump answered, it might say that, but if you're talking about that, then we'd have to have 1 million or 2 million or 3 million trials, and furthermore. Trump then claimed that he was elected to get them the hell out of here, and the courts are holding him up from doing what he was elected to do. Now, Welker kept pressing Trump and asking whether, even with those numbers, he needed to uphold the Constitution as president. He replied, I do not know. Trump said that he has brilliant lawyers who are going to obviously follow what the Supreme Court says. But at the end of that, he said, we may need to ask the Supreme Court, what is their full meaning of facilitate? Because that's what the court documents say and state when it comes to Abrego Garcia. Country crazy.